Hi, my name is Devore and welcome to Renovators Outlet, kitchen and bathroom showroom design center located in Albany Park, Chicago. Renovator Outlet is a one-stop shop where our designers can help you select the right choices with the cabinets, tiles, flooring, plumbing fixtures that will make your kitchen and bathroom just the way you want it. Our showroom offers a variety of quality brands such as Kohler, Grohe, Toto, Roburn, Provenza, Marsh, Touchstone that will satisfy any client's budgets and needs. Our experienced design team will walk you through every step of the design process to make sure you pick the right product.
We try to make the design process as easy and seamless as possible for you so that when you come in, by the time you've left, we've stepped through each of the phases of the components that go into your kitchen or your bathroom renovation. So selections are put together for you. We bring out samples of tile, cabinet finishes, flooring. We put it all together on a table and can take a look with you to help you make choices that work for your home and for your personal taste. Our design team is comprised of designers who have a 4-year education in interior design. So we have the skills and the resources necessary to pull together a project that really will be a work of art when it's complete.
Come and visit us at our showroom as we would be more than happy to help you with your design project.